Woo, yeah. Alright guys, welcome to Baffin Bay. Welcome to the Drum Point launch area. We're not at Drum Point, we're just at the launch area. Drum Point is way down there. We're gonna fish this area here. Targeted species at gator trout. So let's get out there, launch our kayak, and hopefully get on some fish, guys. Go tight lines. Welcome once again to RKFA. This is your first time joining. Welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back, man. Great to have you guys watching my videos. I hope you guys find them informative as also entertaining. Some are entertaining. So I came out here a couple days ago, and man, it was so cold, man. I just couldn't concentrate enough to get some info out on video. But today's a new day, new area, new weather because it's not cold, and hopefully some new friends watching. So I've been having a lot of people asking me questions about where I launch. I don't have problems telling you guys where I launch and stuff, but I'd rather you guys just send me private messages, because got them haters, man, trolling. Which, man, I don't mind, man. You got guys out there that are watching my videos and then messaging me about destroying fisheries. Come on, man. It's just one person. I don't know how I'm destroying fisheries since I'm abiding by the law. Anyways, so we're gonna start off throwing some topwater lures. I got the Heathen Spook. Guys, if y'all want to support my channel, man, I've got Cash App, PayPal. A few of you guys have already donated, man, and I thank you guys so much, man. Whatever money I get donated from you guys, it goes straight into the gas tank. Because if y'all don't know, I do live about an hour from the water. And I've been putting out videos, so it does take a lot of gas to come out here. But the ones that have donated, man, thank you guys so much, man. It really does mean a lot, man. And the ones that have ordered merchandise, man, thank you guys so much too. I make money off of that, and it goes straight to the channel. Let's try this shrimp tail. Let's try this South Coast tackle 5-inch shrimp tail. Let me show you guys how big this hook is, or this jig head. I guess I haven't really shown you guys, but check it out, man. It's about, I guess, about an inch and a quarter total length. And it's a reaction strike jig head, 1/32 ounce with the #1 hook. It's tiny, man. I've been reeling in the bull reds with this. Alright, so this breeze is supposed to die down. time check, Mickey. 104. Dang. Stinker dinker. Stinker dinker on the strawberry shrimp tail. Get out of here. Alright guys, so where else should we go, man? If you have any location suggestions, man, hit me up right in the comments. I think I'm gonna do a drum point one more time, or I don't know, maybe one or two more videos here in the drum point area. Then we'll start venturing off to somewhere else in Corpus. Any shit happening here? Why am I casting here? Bro, what is it? There he goes. Big old bull, guys. Woo, yeah. Let's go. That's what I needed right there, guys. Nice try. Stinker dinker. Guys, there we go. There we go. Oh, bro, red. Damn, we don't go into the kayak. It's a bull, sure. Man, my wrist hurts. Come on, I just get tired. We're going home. We're going back in the water. Popping cork. Oh. I think. Oh, no. Man, second bull red hooked. But let's see if we can land this one, man. Just give up. And he's still dragging us. I think now I know how to catch you guys. Guys. Get out onto the kayak. You're done. You're done. Yeah, bro. Woo. Look at that. Oh my god. A little closer. Lip grip you. There we go. Oh my god, dude. How big are you, man? You're a beast. Oh, bro. Dude. Woo, yeah, baby. Whew, man. Dude. South Coast tackle, man. Oh my god, I need to take my glasses because I can't see. Oh my god. This one's got to be even bigger, man. Even bigger than my personal best. Holy crap, man. Ugh. Man. Oh, just came off. Hold on, let me anchor down. Oh my god. Oh man, let me see if I can get some sort of accurate measurement before we take a picture and send him on his way. Dude, let's see, 40, like 44. So I'm past 40, 42, 43 inch. Personal best redfish. Yo. All right, man. I think we could send you home now. He gone. Man, what a catch. What an absolute catch, man. Dude, I just like cast a freaking oh dude, it's a trout. Big trout. This is my dirty 30. No. Oh my god, it's a big trout, dude. Get it out. Oh, bro, dude, big ass trout. Oh shit, man. That is, man, that was sight cast that sucker, man. Holy release it, we can get you out of here. Alright, you are 25-inch trout. Out of here. Thank you so much. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, man. Another personal best bull red 43-incher, man. I can't believe it. That thing was super huge. That thing was heavy. The first one, it might have been around the same size, man. It looked like a tank. Alright guys, this is gonna be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate every single one of you guys. So if you guys enjoyed it, please hit the like, subscribe guys, and hit that notification bell. Remember guys, I'm on Instagram, I'm on TikTok, I'm on Facebook. All the links are in the description. Look me up, follow me guys. Alright, so here we go, man. We're out of here till next time. Tight lines.